Hey, what's that?
Package for Mom.
Harry, don't move!
You guys okay? Yeah, we're fine. Oh, thank God you were here.
You know, something just looked wrong, you know?
Sergeant Grant.
Yeah.
Sean Boyd, ATF. I'm running point on the serial bomber task force.
So it's confirmed. I'm on this guy's mailing list.
We think so. Gold foil seems to be consistent with the other 3 bombings.
3.
She found another this morning.
Is he okay?
Pronounced dead on the scene. Could be some valuable evidence inside that box. Every package has gone off as soon as someone moves it.